Hi, kindergarten friends. My name is Mrs. Fields, and I'm a teacher at Pemberton Elementary School. I'm so happy to be able to work with you today on a few math skills. We're going to be comparing sets using the words more, fewer, and the same. Last week, I wanted to make some banana bread for my family and my neighbors, and I knew that I needed several bananas, at least more than 5. So I went to the store, and I was looking through the bin of bananas. And I saw some different groups with different amounts in them. And I saw a bunch that had 3 in it and a bunch that had 6 in it. And I knew I needed the group or set that had more in it so that I could make 2 batches of banana bread. We'll be comparing numbers today. Our I can statement says, I can compare and describe one set of having more, fewer, or the same number of objects as the other set. Are you ready to work with me today? Some of our vocabulary words that we'll be working with today are words like more, meaning bigger or a larger amount, fewer, meaning less or a smaller amount, same, meaning equal, and set, meaning group. Here I have some bones and puppies. We're going to sort them and count them to figure out which set has more or fewer. One strategy to help us figure out which set has more or fewer objects is to simply count them. Let's sort the puppies and bones as we count. It's much easier to count once we've sorted. Help me count the bones first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The set of bones has 6 in it. Help me count the puppies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you notice about these 2 sets? I see my set of bones has 6 in it. My set of puppies has 4. That's right. There are more bones than puppies. Can you use the 2 sets of bones and puppies and use the word fewer in a sentence? That's right. There are fewer puppies than bones. Great job. 4 is a smaller number than 6, so we would describe that set as being fewer. I have another strategy to help you. I can use a pairing strategy and match objects together. Let's match the first bone with the first puppy, the second bone with the second puppy, the third bone with the third puppy, and the fourth bone with the fourth puppy. And I've run out of puppies to make any more pairs. So I can tell that I have 2 more bones left over, don't I, that don't have a match. How many more bones are there than puppies? You're right, there are 2 more bones than puppies. Great job. Can you help me compare these sets of monsters? I'm looking at the monsters and I notice that there are blue monsters, orange monsters, and green monsters. It's much easier to count a group or set if you sort them first. Let's count the blue monsters first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count the orange monsters next. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the green monsters. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you notice, boys and girls? I agree. Do you see equal sets? That's right. All of the sets have the same amount of monsters. Great job. This little girl would like to know which set has more apples. We have a set on the left and a set on the right. I'm going to take a guess and say this one has more apples. Look how big they are. Would that make sense for me, boys and girls, to say that this set has more apples? Oh, you think I should count them? I guess you're right. Let's count the set on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 apples in the set on the left. Let's count the set on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The set on the right has just 5 apples. Even though they're larger, there are still only 5 apples. So the question was, which set has more apples? Well, I know that 9 is more than 5. So the set that has more apples is the set on the left with 9. Great job, boys and girls. This question is, which set has fewer stars? Remember, fewer is a smaller number, means less. When I look at these two, I just think they look the same. Maybe I'll just say same. You think I better count them as well? You're exactly right. We need to count each set to make sure. We are looking for the set that has fewer stars. Let's count the set on the left first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The set on the left has 10 stars. Let's see if there are 10 stars over here on the right set. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are just 9 stars in the set on the left. Well, the question says which set has fewer stars. I know fewer means a lesser number, a smaller number. And I know that 9 is smaller than 10. So I'm going to say the set on the right has fewer stars. Did you guess the same? Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's get back to our puppies and their bones. Can you tell me how to make these two sets show the same amount of objects? What would I have to do so that each set shows the same amount? I have 6 bones and 4 puppies. I need to do something with some of these objects to make these groups or sets the same. You guessed it. Take 2 bones away, and now each set has 4. We took 2 bones away to make each set show the same amount. The sets are now equal. Great job. Now, if you would like to try an activity with me, pause this video and find 10 items in your house that you can compare with my set. Coins, Legos, pieces of cereal, candy, small toys will work great. Go ahead and run and get those, and I'll be waiting for you. Are you back? Alrighty, I have a set of 8 monsters. Can you use your objects to make a set of the same number as my set? Do you have the same number of objects in your set as I do with my 8 monsters? If you made a set of 8, great job. All right, we're going to try another one. Can you make a set that has fewer objects than mine? Remember, fewer means a smaller amount or less than. Go ahead and make a set that has fewer objects than mine. Are you ready? Raise your hand if your set has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 objects in your set. Then great job. You made a set fewer than my 8 monsters. One more. Oops, sorry about that. Can you make a set that has more objects than mine? Raise your hand if your set of objects has 9 or 10 items in it. Then great job. You made a set that has more objects than my 8 monsters. Great work, everybody. I have a challenge for you. Can you find other sets of objects in your house and compare them using words fewer, more, and the same? Share what you learned today with a grown-up at your house. I really enjoyed spending time with you today, learning about more, fewer, And the same. I hope you have a great day. See you next time. Bye.